should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that dreams, deep, daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time, cause we never go out of style, we never go out of style. Take me out, just take me out, yeah, just take me out. Oh, you got that JT daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Finding magic in the days and nights as they
Ang ilamin niya is sa Ave Maria kay schoolmate na ko siya, education siya, din ako IT din.
Dili mi katong typical nga kanang na-crush ko niya or na-crush na ako. It's kuan lang kay hindi ka nang, di ba namin siya mga mutual friends.
Then mao na to na murag nagka something naming doon, nagka feelings. And then now, ikaslo na mi.
anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us. In the steady breeze, we
I do my best as a husband or a father of our children na mamuyo mi na malipayon o magligon. Boss, see you sa church and dito na tayo magkita. Bye-bye, love you. Ah.
we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand. I'll go anywhere.
Boss, ako ma-promise nimo is I may not be the perfect wife na imong na-meet, but I will and forever be the woman nga imong deserve, and I will be a loving, faithful, and honest wife, and also a loving mother sa ato ang children. Pohon-pohon. Bye, boss. See you later sa church.
It's all waiting for us.
And that is by Nate Visuals, everybody. Our same day edit video. Lakasan naman natin yung palakpakan, guys. Ang galing-galing naman. Batang-bata pa po ang ating crew of cameramen. Thank you so much, guys, for that presentation and job well done.